Good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I would like to say thank you to the moderator and the assessor for giving me an opportunity to deliver my presentation at iRES2 on 29 July 2021. The title of my presentation is IT Job Vacancy Recommender System using Random Forest Classifier. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dewi Yanti Liliana from the Department of Computer and Informatics Engineering, Politeknik Negeri, Jakarta, Indonesia. And here is the outline of my presentation. So, employment is one of the fastest growing sectors worldwide, including in Indonesia. And according to the Central Statistic Agency, or PPS, it mentioned that the number of the workforce in Indonesia increased by 2.39 million people. And the labor force participation rate is also increasing by 0.18% per year. Job seekers nowadays usually look for jobs online because it is easier than applying job with a conventional method or to postmail. Moreover, high demand on job vacancies, especially in the information technology or IT sector, for example, requirement for data analyst, data scientist, DevOps, software engineer, or developer, and so on, is very high. In order to find jobs that are relevant for applicants, it is necessary to create a job vacancy recommendation system. And this study aims to provide recommendation for suitable job vacancies based on experience and educational background of each professional job seeker. The recommendation system works by taking and scraping LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is one of the professional website which connecting professional people who has the same interest on career as well as skills and development. So this recommendation system categorize jobs using the random forest machine learning algorithm. Two methods are applied are random forest classifier and the text analysis using word embeddings and cousin similarities technique. And the system designed to recommend job vacancies based on LinkedIn profiles website. The features or attributes which are exposed are experience, skills, educational background, previous job titles, and the certification held. The system is implemented using Python API application programming interface that will be used in web-based interface or web-based application. This is the design of the proposed system. The recommended system has an initial process of profile scraping from the LinkedIn website. The profile scraping is intended to retrieve data from the web and then processed into data sets. So the data set will be used for the classification process. The result of the scraping, the profile scraping, are processed with the text mining technology, which is used for extracting data. And the text mining process will form a feature by using cousin similarity and word embedding. So this is the web application. User input, give input here. Then here is the random forest classifier which will automatically classify the profile of each person into the respective job title. The data set used are 5 types of IT job classes. Those are software developer, mobile developer, data scientist, data analyst, and DevOps. The features are experience, education, achievement, certification, or volunteer activities. 500 data taken from LinkedIn profile, and each class has a balance number, which is 100 profile per job class. The annotation or labeling are made by viewing the job or the current occupation of each profile. And the verification is done by 15 professionals using Google Forms. Random forest classifier is an ensemble learning method that performs classification by forming many decision trees at the training stage. And each tree is considered as a classifier, and the weighted output are then used for classification by majority voting, according to Wang 2019. This study makes 5 models with varying number of features, and the 5 models have 5, 10, 15, 20, and 26 features. To test the capabilities of the 5 models, 2 types of k-fold cross-validation were carried out, and the similarity measurement process is done by assessing cosine similarity from job vacancy description and the LinkedIn profile description. To convert the description text into vector form so that the cosine similarity calculation process can be carried out, the word embedding method is used. And here is the result and discussion. We see two scenarios of testing using 5-fold cross-validation and 10-fold, slightly higher for the 10-fold, the accuracy rate using 10-fold cross-validation. And this is the average classification report on testing. In the average are 94% the accuracy rate. And this is the testing result using testing data. We can see from this testing conducted here, the result of the real occupation and the recommendation result are the same. So the conclusion, this research has produced an IT job recommendation system based on random forest classifier, one of the machine learning algorithm which has a powerful performance. And the dataset was taken from LinkedIn website, and text processing is performed using cosine similarity and word embedding. And the model generated resulting in accuracy rate of 94%. So this is a promising method. Okay, thank you for your attention.